Good morning, Mitrano. We are going to talk about one of the most prestigious defense entries after 12th standard. That is the ND, National Defense Academy exam, especially NDA Army Wing. NDA म्हणजे फक्त एक एक्झाम नाही, it is the first step to become an Indian Army officer. This is the entry for the students who wants discipline, leadership and honor in the uniform. या याच्यामध्ये इलिजिबिलिटी म्हणजे क्वालिफिकेशन सर्वात आधी इलिजिबिलिटी समजून घ्या. फॉर NDA आर्मी विंग कॅन्डिडेट मस्ट हॅव पास ऑर अपेअरिंग 12th स्टँडर्ड फ्रॉम एनी स्ट्रीम दॅट इज आर्ट्स कॉमर्स अँड सायन्स एज बिटवीन 16.5 to 19.5 years. Male and female candidates both are eligible. Must be unmarried and medically fit. मार्क्सपेक्षा इम्पॉर्टंट आहे बेसिक क्लॅरिटी अँड कन्सिस्टन्सी. आता पुढे आपण जाणून घेऊया की एक्झाम पॅटर्न. NDA written exam has two papers. First paper is mathematics about 300 marks. Second, general ability test about 600 marks. Total 900 marks. Time per paper 2.5 hours. After written exam, candidate face SSB interview of 900 marks. So remember, written plus SSB total 1800 marks. Syllabus and let us discuss about syllabus. Math syllabus includes algebra, trigonometry, geometry, measurements, statistics, and basic calculus. Then again, GAT syllabus. First of all, English grammar, vocab, comprehension. General knowledge syllabus about the physics, chemistry, history, geography, then current affairs and defense awareness. This syllabus is of 10th and 12th level. Not very difficult, but it is vast syllabus. अभी नोटिफिकेशन आता कधी येतं तर नोटिफिकेशन मोस्टली ट्वाइस अ इयर. NDA first notification December to January and exam in April. NDA second notification in May to June and exam in September. Consistency matter more than last minute study. The final motivation तुमच्यासाठी हेच असणार आहे की NDA आर्मी विंग तुमच्याकडनं डिसिप्लिन इन रुटीन, क्लॅरिटी इन कन्सेप्ट अँड कॉन्फिडन्स इन पर्सनॅलिटी. रिमेंबर, NDA doesn't select toppers, it select the leaders. If you are the serious about NDA preparation, for the proper guidance, discipline training and defense focus monitoring, you can contact the Success Academy Nasik for more information. Prepare with dedication, think like an officer, wear uniform with pride. Jai Hind, all the best future officer, all the best.